Let's destroy this wall. So if you're an employee watching this, or you're just like, hey, who's the crazy guy on the internet? I am really big on smarter, being good and efficient, so I can either take all the trash out to the dumpster or hold my beer. Yeah, let's just bring the dumpster in, because then it's gonna be easier, and I'm gonna move the dumpster over there, which is gonna make it even easier to dump and get everything out. Don't usually put drywall in here, but we are today, and if you're looking for a good trash can and you're on Delmarva, call Seagull Disposal. They have a seagull for the logo. It does look a little bit different back here, right? Not done, far from done, but again, nothing's ever fully done. We're just still working.